In the dynamic world of project management software, understanding the ownership and history of a tool like Wrike can provide valuable insights for users, potential customers, and those in the broader tech industry. As a project management expert, I aim to dissect the question, who owns Wrike? And provide a comprehensive yet easy-to-understand explanation, suitable for both newcomers and those seeking educational-level knowledge. The current custodian, Symphony Technology Group, STG. As of today, April 11, 2025, Wrike is owned by Symphony Technology Group, STG. This acquisition was finalized on July 7, 2023. STG is a private equity firm that focuses on investing in software, data, and analytics companies. Their acquisition of Wrike marked a new chapter in the project management platform's journey. For those unfamiliar with private equity, it's essentially investment in companies not listed on a public stock exchange. Firms like STG often acquire companies they believe have strong growth potential, with the aim of enhancing their operations and value over a period before potentially selling them or taking them public. A look back, Wrike's ownership timeline. To fully grasp the current ownership, it's crucial to understand Wrike's history and previous ownership structures. The founding years, 2006. Wrike was founded in 2006 by Andrew Filev. Initially self-funded, Filev's vision was to create a collaborative work management platform that addressed the limitations of traditional tools like email and spreadsheets. The beta version of the software was launched in December 2006. This period highlights the entrepreneurial spirit and the initial drive to solve a real-world problem in project management. Many successful software companies start with a similar vision to streamline workflows and improve team collaboration. Early investments, 2012 to 2015. As Wrike's user base grew, it secured several rounds of funding from various investors. June 2012, $1 million in angel funding from TMT Investments. Angel investors are individuals who provide capital for a business startup, usually in exchange for convertible debt or ownership equity. 1. HRCK.SRC.HR. HRCK.SRC.HR. October 2013. $10 million from Bain Capital Ventures. Venture capital firms invest in early-stage companies with high growth potential. May 2015. $15 million from Scale Venture Partners, DCM Ventures, and Bain Capital Ventures. This further investment fueled Wrike's expansion and feature development. These funding rounds are typical for tech startups looking to scale their operations, expand their product offerings, and reach a wider market. Vista Equity Partners, 2018 to 2021. In November 2018, Wrike received a majority investment from Vista Equity Partners. Vista is a well-known private equity firm specializing in software, data, and technology-enabled businesses. This acquisition signaled a significant phase of growth and maturity for Wrike, aligning it with a firm that has a strong track record in the software industry. Private equity involvement often brings operational expertise and financial resources to accelerate growth. Citrix Systems, 2021 to 2022. In January 2021, Citrix Systems, a multinational cloud computing and virtualization technology company, announced its intention to acquire Wrike for $2.25 billion. The acquisition was completed in March 2021. Citrix aimed to integrate Wrike's collaborative work management capabilities into its digital workspace solutions, focusing on enhancing the future of work. This acquisition by a larger technology company demonstrated the value and strategic importance of project management platforms in the broader software ecosystem. Spin-out by Citrix, 2022 to 2023. Barely 18 months after the acquisition, in September 2022, Citrix spun out Wrike in a deal funded by private equity funds Vista Equity Partners and Evergreen Coast Capital. This move was heavily influenced by the merger of Citrix with TIBCO. The spin-out resulted in Wrike becoming an independent entity once again, albeit under new private equity ownership. This highlights how mergers and acquisitions in the tech industry can lead to further restructuring and changes in ownership as companies realign their strategic focus. Why ownership matters in project management software. Understanding who owns a project management software platform like Wrike can have several implications for its users and the wider market. Strategic direction and product development. The owner's vision and strategic priorities can significantly influence the direction of the software. A private equity firm might focus on rapid growth and profitability, potentially leading to specific feature developments or market expansions. A large technology company might integrate the software with its existing suite of products, offering a more comprehensive solution. Investment in innovation. The financial backing of the owner plays a crucial role in the platform's ability to invest in research and development, leading to new features, integrations, and technological advancements like AI-powered work intelligence. For example, Wrike's integration with Klaxoon, a visual collaboration platform acquired in January 2025, likely stemmed from the strategic direction and investment appetite of the current ownership. Pricing and licensing. Ownership changes can sometimes lead to adjustments in pricing models and licensing agreements. Users need to be aware of potential changes that could affect their budget and usage of the software. Support and service levels. The resources and focus of the owning company can impact the quality of customer support, training, and other services provided to users. Integration ecosystem. The owner's existing partnerships and technology stack can influence the integrations available with the project management platform. For instance, under Citrix, there was a focus on integrating with digital workspace tools. Now, under STG, the focus might shift towards other areas aligned with STG's portfolio. Wrike currently boasts integrations with popular tools like Dropbox, Google Docs, and Slack, enhancing its interoperability. Data security and compliance. The owning company's policies and investments in security infrastructure are critical for ensuring the safety and compliance of user data. Users in regulated industries need to be particularly mindful of this aspect. Wrike undergoes regular audits and holds certifications like AICPA Type 2 SOC2 and ISO/IEC 27001:2013, demonstrating a commitment to security.